Making some 16 bean soup, motherfucker. Basically what I did was I took just a bag of like 16 bean soup. You can buy pretty cheap, like basically anywhere. I took that, I soaked it overnight in just water, like salt water. Drained it off, and now I'm trying to bring this up to a boil. That way I can put the heat back down and simmer it. But I'm boiling it in chicken stock, chicken broth, whatever the hell. Okay, now I added some diced carrots, celery, and some onion, which I had yesterday. I made another soup yesterday. So I just had some left over. I just kept it in cold water in the fridge. Beans are getting kind of tender. So I'm looking at probably another hour to an hour and a half, maybe, if that. Now I just got to add my seasoning, and I'll show you exactly what that includes. Okay, now for seasoning, tarragon. Absolutely love tarragon. Garlic powder, unless you want to put fresh in. I don't feel like cutting it, so. Crushed red pepper, and parsley. Okay, now I went ahead and added all the seasonings, and I go kind of generous with the parsley. I add quite a bit, especially when you have a soup that's going to have, you know, garlic, onion, all that stuff. Supposedly, parsley is supposed to be like a natural breath freshener. I don't know the truth around that statement, but that's just what a lot of people say. And as far as measurements and all the other stuff, I just basically add it until I can smell it. And if I need any more toward the end, I'll add some, and then I'll just cook it down a little bit. So yeah, that's one thing you always got to remember. You can always add more, but once you add too much, you can't take it away. So, and that's part of the reason why I'm not adding salt and pepper, is primarily for that reason, because over here, whenever you buy 16 bean soup, it usually comes with like a flavoring packet, and it's supposed to be like ham flavoring. I don't know. There's probably some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and stuff like that in there. So whatever this does, I'll know what I can add and what I can't add. So if this here doesn't add the flavor that I need, then I'll know what I need to do. All right, so there it is, all plated and bowled up. If you have fresh herbs, you can add parsley, stuff like that on top of it. Since I only have dried, that's basically what I did. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully you enjoy. And yeah, thanks for watching.